3M do a large range of different masking tapes. Firstly, we have the 2328, which is used for a variety of applications. It adheres well, offers a secure grip, and has an excellent edge definition. We then have the green 3030 tape, which is for solvent and water-based paint applications and is flexible with specially formulated cross-linked rubber adhesive, and it leaves a sharp, clean paint line with less build-up. It is water resistant and works in temperatures up to 100 degrees centigrade and can be removed cleanly and easily. Then we move on to the 3434 blue tape. This is a high-performance tape designed to meet the most demanding of paint masking situations. With excellent solvent resistance, it suits both modern 2-pack systems and water-based products. Finally, we have the fine line tape. This is a very thin masking tape designed for masking around corners or sharp curves. It also provides the sharpest possible paint lines, perfect for delicate shapes and corners.